Alright, so what did you get for Christmas? I got this. The guy that has everything. So we're gonna actually use this. We're gonna use the sausages and make some breakfast with this. So it's a little salty, so just be careful. Sodium's a little higher on these. Alright, so you just gotta be careful on these. But when you buy something like this, they give you pretty much everything you require. Cheese, sausages, and they're all the same. So we're going to use this one. I'm going to cut into little small pieces. For tonight, we're going to use this. Make a prosciutto board. But today, we're just going to do a simple, not this cheese. We're going to use our own cheese, but we just want the sausage. So let's go ahead and cut it, slice it down, cook it down a little bit. And then we're going to add some egg on it, make a little sandwich with it, have every flavor. We're also going to add cheese, but not this cheese. This is aged cheese. It's okay, but it dries up quickly. So I'm going to use my own cheese, but we just want the sausage. We do have our own cheddar that we're going to use. That we have it open, but we're going to go ahead and start with the sausage first. We're going to do our cheese. A couple slices of cheese. Alright, so we're going to start cooking. And we got our eggs, sausages, and cheese all together here. We're preheating this. We're going to add a little bit of butter. Alright, spray butter. To get it sizzling. Add our sausages in every corner. I'm going to preheat these first. Sausages, just like to get that grill. You could cook, they're cooked already, they're ready to eat, but we want to add the sausages in here. Make sure they have the flavor everywhere. Spread them as much as you can. And add as many as you can if you want. It's optional. Make it like a sausage McMuffin kind of thing, but these are leftovers from Christmas. Simple leftovers. So we're going to preheat them. And then we like to cover it up. If you want, optional. It's going to cook in and out. Once this gets going, we're going to add our egg. No scrambled egg, just toss the egg in there. And also, we're also going to do the cheese. So cheese could go before or after, either way, but I don't want it to stick around. So I like to put the egg first and then the cheese. It's been a couple minutes. We can see a little bit. Let's see how it cooked. Oh yeah, it's getting that little grill. I like that. Move it around. Now we're ready for phase 2. So let's do phase 2. 1 egg a piece. There's 1 egg. 2. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because it is so high. Turn it down. 3. And 4. No salt because it's already we have salt. Just add a piece of cheese. Piece of cheese. Piece of cheese. Cheese. More cheese if you want. More cheese if you want. And the last one, I have an extra cheese here and here. And we're just going to cover it up and let it melt and cook itself and come back in a minute. All right, we're going to scramble it a little bit now that it's been there. So scramble a little bit. I don't like the yolk. We're going to crack the yolk. Oops, drop the cheese too. Let that cook very well and we'll come back. It's been a couple minutes already, and it looks like it's pretty much done already. So we're gonna turn it off and let it simmer for a bit and let it cool down, and then we're just gonna deattach them all. So these are ready. So we're just waiting for our coffee. Turn this off, and they're well cooked already. Cheese melted just on the side of it. Sometimes people like to scramble and then add the cheese too. I just did it like my way because I like the yolk on the top. Move it around, get the cheese spread out too. So, and then the bottom is gonna be nice and crispy. So we're gonna go ahead and take one out right now in a bit. You could use a spoon or a fork, but preferably a spoon. So you can scoop it up, and you start with any edges, right? Just breaking it apart because we had butter in there. Look at this. It moves nice and easy. Then all we gotta do is just lift it up. But this is a larger spoon, so I don't want to break it apart. And then I'm gonna move the camera just a little bit so you guys can see how it goes. My coffee's going right now. So get this going. Scoop it underneath. And there it is. Oh, right. There it is. Sausage came up a little bit. I'm gonna do mine on bagel. After they cool off just a little bit, you could break them out easier. So just break them apart, move them around. So we're gonna scoop it up again. See how easy it is now that it cools off. Scoop it up, put it in there. Let's cut this right now so you guys can see a little bit better. I flipped it up, so we're gonna do that right now. All right, let's cut it right in the middle if we can. There we go. It's just hot in the middle, but I'm gonna show you guys how different layers it comes out with. Beautiful. I'm gonna let this cool off before I take a bite. It's a little hot in the middle. Ooh, let's try this beautiful sandwich with a cup of coffee, of course. So I'm a big breakfast guy. My wife isn't. She says, you know, it costs too much money for breakfast. You could do something simple, but I like to start the day with a nice something juicy, tender, and you're gonna have to top it throughout the whole day. So this is my topping. The sausage came out tender, crispy on the bottom. Egg, nice and fluffy. Perfect. And went along with a cup of coffee, makes a great day. So I hope you guys enjoy your meals.